As a cost consultant at Faithful+Gould, we receive a consistent message from our clients. Accuracy at the project budgeting stage is key to a project's success. It's one of those areas where clients have the most difficulty. While we've always valued data at Faithful+Gould, a few years ago we made it formal and invested in resources and tools configured to our specifications to centralize the process. We use this for benchmarking, cost modeling, and data normalization. Benefits of centralizing the process include consistency of deliverables and application of lessons learned from projects in the past. Coupling the data with discipline expertise in-house and our cost estimating professionals gives us higher confidence and better information. We look at specific project attributes, and our opinion becomes more of a statistical probability. We utilize the 80-20 rule, where 80% of the costs occur in 20% of the items. We focus on key cost drivers, and this allows us to identify risks much earlier in the process or life cycle of a project. We call this service construction intelligence, and it's one of those things that you must see to appreciate. So with that, I'll turn it over to our lead data analyst, Rachel.
I'm going to walk you through how quickly we can create a very detailed benchmark study. On the screen right now is a homepage of a benchmarking and data warehousing software called AOS Advisor. You can see that we have two ways to look for data. We can browse and we can search. If I click on browse, it opens up a page that has all of our projects. The titles with the underline and the number after them indicate where we have data and the amount of data that we have there. All of our cost data goes through a very rigorous cost analysis process so that we ensure that we're using only the best and most accurate data, and also that we're always comparing consistently across all project types. If I click into one of these numbers, all of the projects in that category open, and from here I can begin to select projects to use in the benchmark study. If I want to do a slightly more intelligent search for projects, I can use the search function, where we can now start to drill down to project attributes. And for example, if we wanted to benchmark a 4-story precast concrete parking garage, I can drill down into our parking facility group. I can specify that I want it to be 4 levels, and also that we are looking for precast, and hit search. And only the projects that meet those requirements show up. From here, I can select the projects I'd like that used in the study, hit compare, and we have a benchmark study. All of the costs that are shown right now are for the time and location that they were originally built. If we wanted this project to be in Newark, New Jersey, we can apply factors. And using Faithful+Gould internally developed time and location normalization factors, we can factor all of the projects to reflect Newark 2017. This first page shows project attributes. We can further narrow down our benchmark based on that. For example, if we were only interested in projects with standard foundations, we would eliminate projects 2, 5, and 6. We can do that up here. We could also eliminate projects based on their costs on this page. If we are good with all of the projects in the study, we can send it out to Excel to do further analysis. Here's another way that we use our data. On the screen is an elemental range indicator chart that shows how a client project compares to similar projects that we've pulled from our database. It shows the range in cost per square foot by uniformat system with indicators for minimum, maximum, and average with a red X where the client project falls. This is a great visual comparison that helps clients identify where cost risks are, where value engineering may be possible, and if they're over-designing.
Imagine knowing the likely risks on your project before it's designed. How do you stack up versus the market, versus your own historical performance? Are you over-speccing items? Are you paying above fair market value? In Faithful+Gould's hands, we can analyze the level 1 metrics all the way down to the detailed line items. We can use this to set budgets, validate bids, assess change orders, and it will assist you in making informed decisions much earlier in the process. To find out more, please contact us at the email address listed on the screen.